Hello from Superbilling. In this video, we are going to see how to handle a sales return. First, let's start by adding a sales invoice quick. On the left menu, click on Sales, New Sale. Select a customer and select a product. Click on Save Invoice. Sales invoice saved successfully. Close this window. Close the sale window. To create a sales return, on the left menu, click on Sales, Sales Returns. On the right side, click on Add Sales Return. A new sales return screen will be displayed. Select the customer who needs to return the product. And then select the product that needs to be returned. Note the return sales invoice number and date because we need that later. Click on Save Invoice. Sales return saved successfully. Now close this return window. Now to exchange the returned product, go to Sales, New Sale. Select the customer and select the product that the customer has chosen now. And below there will be a button called Sale Return. Click on that button. In the return invoice number, give the sales return invoice number that we have noted earlier and select the date of the sales return invoice and click on Add Return. Now the returned product has been added and the amount paid by the customer will be subtracted. Now click on Save Invoice and the invoice has been saved. If you have any questions or need any support, reach us on superbilling.in/support. We are ready to help you. Thank you.